In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view invoices awaiting payment and send statements in Xero. Once you're in your Xero dashboard, start by opening Sales. This takes you to your sales area where you manage quotes, invoices, and customer follow-ups. From there, go to Invoices. This page is your hub for all invoice activity, but today we're focusing on what still needs to be collected. Next, choose the Awaiting Payment view. This filters the list to show invoices that have been approved and sent but aren't paid yet. Here, you can quickly see who owes what, due dates, and amounts outstanding. Take a moment to scan this list so you understand your current receivables position and can prioritize any overdue items. When you're ready to follow up, select Send Statements. Statements are a professional way to remind customers of their balances in one go. On the Statements page, you'll choose a statement type. You have two options, activity and outstanding. Activity statements show all transactions with that customer over a date range, including invoices, payments, and credits. Outstanding statements show us only what's unpaid as of a particular date, which is perfect for a summary of amounts due. For this walkthrough, select activity. Then update the date to set the period you want to cover. Commonly, the current month or a custom range you're discussing with the customer. Click Update to refresh the statement preview so it reflects your date choice. Review the totals and make sure the information looks accurate before sending. Now, choose who will receive the statement by ticking the checkbox next to each customer you want to include. You can select one or many depending on how broad your follow-up needs to be. Click Email to prepare the statements for sending. In the email window, you can edit the message that your customers will see. Keep it clear, friendly, and direct. Confirm the statement period, mention the total due, and, if appropriate, that reference your standard payment terms. It's helpful to include a thank you line and a reminder that they can reply if they have questions about any item on the statement. When everything looks good, click Send. Xero will email the statements to the selected customers and record that they were sent, so you have a clear audit trail. That's it. You viewed invoices awaiting payment and sent statements to prompt timely collection. Use this process regularly to stay on top of cash flow, reduce overdue balances, and keep your customer communication consistent and professional. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.